Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Today is July 13th, 2024. We do have some breaking news. He is fine, but Donald Trump was shot in the ear, I believe. He was at least grazed by the ear. We don't have a lot of information. This happened like a half hour ago. He is okay. So that's good. You're looking at potentially the first pro-crypto president, so running for re-elections again. So as you guys know, I'm Canadian, can't even vote anyways. So yeah, pretty wild what's going on. So this is going to be an intense year. This is the only photo that I guess I'll really show. I think this is going to be a popular photo. He's probably going to make t-shirts. But yeah, I mean, this encompasses what 2024 is going to be like for crypto, right? Anyways, I'll leave it at that. But glad to see that he's okay. Biden's probably like, oh, like what's going on? Like, probably has no idea what's happened. So Bitcoin, we're at almost 60,000. Probably going to happen at the end of the day. $2.19 trillion market cap. I'm going to refresh again. So Bitcoin should hit 60K by the end of the day. Ethereum, 3,100, up 5% on the week. What's doing well? XRP is up 18% on the week, 10% on the day. Cardano up almost 20%. So doing well there. We're starting to see this reversal right now, at least, for the past, couple days here. And, did we bottom? I don't know. I like to think we did. But again, nobody really knows, right? Is this going to be the bottom? Guys, comment down below. Do you think that 55,000 is the bottom? I think it is, but I also don't know. Because with crypto, you could just keep dropping, right? But we're post-halving. Typically, we go up in price not too long after the halving. So, yeah, I really just want to make this quick announcement. It's going to be a hectic 2024. So, as you know, it's an election year. You got Trump versus Biden. And, you're looking at the first real, crypto election. Really heavy crypto election, right? So Trump, as you know, he's in full support of crypto. I think RFK is as well, but I don't think he has a chance of winning. So, just something to keep in mind as well. So that's about it. I just want to give you guys a little price update, keep you guys in the loop with some things. I'm gonna make a more formal or YouTube announcement. But I am attending Rare Evo. So the Moose is flying out to Rare Evo flying to Vegas. So if you guys do want to hit me up in the comments, be like, Moose, let's chat. Let's do a quick interview. I'm probably going to have my cell phone. Going to do some quick interview videos. And yeah, we're going to keep it brief. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. And guys, check out the link tree. Save up to 25% off hardware wallets. We got Tangems, Ledgers, Trezors. Trezor Safe 5 is coming in the mail, so I'm excited to review that. So guys, check out the online courses. Follow us on the Twitters. Get your quick links to the top projects we talk about always on this channel. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one, guys.